Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to install screensaver or .scr file in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link, and you can see here tons of free screensaver files that you can download. So here I'm gonna download one file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. And now just double left click on it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now the first file is the screensaver file, so let me show its properties to make you confirm whether it's a .scr file or not. So you can see here it's a .scr file, right? So it's a screensaver file. So here I'm gonna show you two ways how to install the screensaver or .scr file on your respective Windows computer. So the first method is just right mouse click on the screensaver file and click on the show more options, and now you will see here install option, as you can see here. So this is the first way how to install this screensaver file or .scr file. So this is the first method, and the second method is just copy this screensaver file and just go to the C drive or the drive where you have installed the Windows operating system. So in my case it's in the C drive, and now you will see here Windows. Just open this folder. Now just paste it here, click on continue. So now just click on your Windows start menu icon, and on the search bar just search for screensaver, and on the first list you will see change screensaver option. Just click on it, and now just click on this none. And now you can see here the respective screensaver which I have installed. So you can see here the name, so you can just click on it. You can see the preview here itself, or you can just click on this preview to check before applying it. So you can see here the preview of this screensaver. So in order to exit it, just press escape on your computer keyboard. So now once you're done, you can just click on this apply, and now it will be applied after every 1 minute, or you can change it just by increasing or decreasing the minutes. You can customize depending upon your needs. So by using this method, you can easily install screensaver or .scr file in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.